Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have a really cute box card for you. This is my On the River box card. How adorable is this design with that cute little tugboat there in the water, just strolling down the stream. You have the fun little trees in the background, the sun shining bright. It's just really cute. It folds relatively flat for mailing. There's a spot on the back for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This project is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your CRICUT cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2025. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up CRICUT Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to CRICUT Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in CRICUT Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the Operation menu and change that to Score. Highlight the group and attach. We need to do the same thing to the outside box piece. And to the inside tab piece. Once we've converted the score lines for the envelope, the outside box piece, and the inside tab piece, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this card. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score lines of the outside box piece. Just like that. Set that to the side for just a minute. Now let's mat and layer the messaging panel. Go ahead and flip the outside box piece over, and we're going to attach the messaging panel to the back of the card. And we can set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the inside tab piece. Before we do that, I'm going to fold and burnish the score lines for those tabs. I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to layer these different pieces together, so go ahead and refer to that. There we go. Set that to the side. Now we can go ahead and layer the front cover panel. Again, refer to that layering guide, but from back to front, you're going to start with the black layer, orange, burgundy, blue, and then green. And there is our little boat front cover panel. I'm going to set that to the side. I apologize for the train that you're hearing right now. I'm going to take the outside box piece and the inside tab piece. Go ahead and add glue to this left tab here. And I'm going to attach it to the left side of the box piece, making sure to line up the edges on the bottom and along this left score line. And I'm going to add glue to the right side and fold the box piece over. Just like that. I'm going to add glue to this left front tab. Take our front cover panel and attach that left side. Again, making sure that I line up the edges. Add glue to the right side. And fold the card over onto itself. Just like that. And the last thing is to add the sun. I'm going to add it right there. And there is our card. Really cute. I'm going to set that to the side so everything can go ahead and dry. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Let's take our inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip that inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, go ahead and fold those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With our thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our box card is all set. Isn't this card adorable? How cute is that little boat going down the river? Just really, really cute. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.